Hi, this is Ed Heaton with Rock Solid Finish, and I'm here to share with you a quick and easy way to handle caulking removal, and it's very simple. And let me turn my screen around so you can see what I'm seeing. Essentially what we're looking at is this kind of cracking. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, you can use either a hair dryer, or if you have a some kind of a heating unit, I use this kind of a heat gun. It's a little Wagner unit. Turn it on. You just give the area some heat. Doesn't take very long. Just a few seconds. Works just fine. And while we're letting that blow, I'll show you what happens. Well, apart from that, it starts to just peel up. Just peel right off. And it peels completely off of there. And otherwise, you're dealing with a big mess that's difficult and frustrating. I just wanted to share that quick tip with you. Thought you might enjoy it. Thought it might be helpful. Have a fantastic day. Thanks. Bye.